been 7 days of using the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum, and here is my review. You guys asked me to review the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum after you saw the sunscreen video. I bought them. This is day 1 of using them, and I am hoping to have a definite result on the 7th day. Hi guys, this is day 2. Today I'm not feeling very good. I literally don't feel like doing anything, but yeah, this is how my skin looks after using Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum for 1 day. I don't see any difference yet, so I'm just going to use it again today. It's day 3 and I'm on my way out, but I just want to say that I'm starting to see some changes on my skin. It is brighter and smoother. Yes, that's all the difference I can see for now. So I'm going to quickly go in with my serum. It's day 4. I am actually in a rush today. I'm supposed to be at a shoot for 10 a.m. and it's currently 9:50 a.m. After using the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum for 3 days, my skin appears brighter, glowier, softer, smoother. It's day 5. You know that phrase, skin is skinning? It's me that they are talking about. I have had a little dark area at this part of my face for a while now, and it is now faint because of the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Serum. Day 5. I have used the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum for 5 days now. My skin has an even skin tone. It is brighter, smoother, softer, and I have a glowy skin. Day 6. It's the last day of my skincare experiment using the Dr. Rashel Face and Eye Serum. During these 7 days, I have had a brighter skin, glowing skin. I have had no pimples or facial reaction. Now, if you're a black girl like me and you want to keep your complexion, I would advise that you don't use the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Serum every day. You can use it 3 times a week because it will brighten you up. Also, I think the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum basically have the same content. I think they are just divided into face and eye serum to get more of our money. I would advise that you get just the face serum and use it all over your face and under eyes instead of buying the face serum and also the eye serum. In a nutshell, the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face and Eye Serum skincare product is a very good buy. I totally recommend.